Kawaii Town Prince to make a rhyming children's story with pictures. Hop over to ChatGPT and say, give me some ideas of children's books that I can write with a moral to it. So the kindness seed is now born. So I'll show you what you have to do. You have the templates from Paz in Kawaii Town Prince for the exact size. I got it wrong and did the wrong size. So anyway, don't forget to use the template. Then this is the story. So you make yourself a name that you can think of that will describe what you do. Because I do colouring books and now and puzzle books, and now I've done my first storybook. So it can encompass quite a lot. So it's called the kindness seed, and then you put a little image there. Then there's another prompt that you make it all rhyme. But first, you put the copyright, again, that's copy and paste from Mike Paz's Kawaii Town Prince. You add once you've done this bit, you can actually do a read aloud bit, which he teaches you all about in Kawaii Town Prince. So, all these pictures were done on ChatGPT, but there was a little acorn there. So I had to say, do me an image. But he also teaches you, if you actually leave them as a normal picture and then you print it off, it's not quite as clear as the secret tip he puts in Kawaii Town Prince. All mine are like mega super duper clear because of this secret tip inside Kawaii Town Prince. Anyway, let's do chapter 1. Deep in the woods where the trees grow high lived a little squirrel with a curious eye. Sam loved to explore, and one day he found a tiny seed lying on the ground. He held it close with wonder and glee. What kind of tree could this seed be? A wise old owl swooped from a branch nearby. The seed grows with kindness. Give it a try. So then he helps all these lovely little animals. I think there was a bird, a deer, and a rabbit. And all you have to do is, for each verse, give me an image for this. Give me an image for this. And there's 32 pages in the whole book. So, to recap then, Kawaii Town Prince, the next one will probably be a colouring book, but I have started the Cloud book, Who's Afraid of Thunder. This template, the description for the book template is in Kawaii Town Prince as well. I would highly recommend that you get Kawaii Town Prince because the link will be down below, and my new Read Aloud YouTube channel will be down below as well. So you can listen to this at your heart's content and read it to your children when they go to bed. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.